Most people think that selling printables is a waste of time because there's not enough money in it. But I'm here to show you today how I doubled my digital product sales using these easy strategies. Have you ever thought of selling printables, but you thought there just isn't enough money in it? Or maybe you're already selling printables and you just can't get your income level up to the point that you want it to be. I'm going to show you some easy strategies that you can implement to make your printables business your full-time income. The reason I chose to sell digital products instead of some of the other side hustles is because I love making them, but I also saw that the revenue potential was way higher with digital products than it is with a lot of other side hustles like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and print on demand. There are hardly any overhead costs with selling digital products, and you don't have to worry about another company not holding up their end of the bargain. Bundling products is one way that you can really increase your revenue with your printables and digital products. Let me show you how you could expand one $5 product into a $25 bundle. So we'll start with a birthday invitation, and let's say it's $5. You can create a bundle of products including an invitation, thank you cards, a birthday banner, cupcake toppers, party favor tags, birthday games, photo booth props, party signs, party hats, and a birthday wish list template, and price it at $25. You would only need one sale per day to equal 5 that you would need for the invitation alone. Customers are also more likely to buy a bundle if they can customize it and personalize it, because it makes them feel like they're getting more for less. They're getting something custom for less of a price. And they also appreciate the convenience of having everything already there in the bundle rather than they have to purchase an invitation, then they have to go find a banner that kind of goes with it and thank you tags that kind of go with it. You're just providing all of that to them right in one shopping experience, and they don't have to spend their time shopping for other products. So it saves them time. It also helps them accomplish something and achieve the feeling of completeness with whatever project they're trying to do. A bundle also prevents decision fatigue. And this is a real thing. When people are faced with too many decisions to make, a lot of times they just choose to purchase nothing. So you can help them avoid being overwhelmed by providing this bundle to them. It also saves them money. So if they buy the invitation and all the products separately, they're probably going to end up spending like $50 and you're offering it to them for $25. And I don't want you to think of that as you losing money. If you sold each of these individually, that you would make $50 and not $25, because that's most likely not the case. The person is probably not going to go through your whole shop and buy each and every one of those products. So the chance of you making more money is higher by offering the bundle. Another way that you can increase your revenue is by offering subscriptions. Subscriptions make people feel like they're a part of something exclusive and ongoing that other people don't have access to. So it's kind of like a VIP experience. So let me show you an example of how you can incorporate a subscription into your sales funnel. So you'd start out by posting on social media or wherever you get your customers from normally, and you lead them to a freebie. So for this example, let's say I sell homeschool printables. So I'm going to offer a freebie of a homeschool report card. So that's going to be $0 because it's a freebie. And then when they sign up for the freebie, I'm going to offer them, would you like to buy this bundle? So in this example, we'll say it's a life skills bundle for kindergartners. So that's going to be one-time money. And then after that, you can offer them, would you like to join my subscription, which is a kindergarten homeschool activities subscription. And this is going to bring you monthly recurring revenue. So you're going to have money coming in every single month from this. It's way harder to keep getting new customers than it is to sell to your existing customers. And when you have the subscription, that they're just automatically getting billed every single month until they decide to cancel. And if you're providing something that's super helpful to them in your subscription, they will stay for a long, long time. Some pinned I have a subscription that I purchase from someone for pin templates for Pinterest every single month. I've been a member of her subscription for, I want to say 3 or 4 years. I'm not sure. I don't even know for sure how long I've been a member, but I love it because it makes my life easy to pin things to Pinterest. I'm not great at putting together pin designs, and she just sends these templates to me every single month, and it makes my life easy. So as long as you're providing something that people really want and need, your subscription will do really well and your people will stay for a long time. Another thing is you can actually double your revenue just by making editable templates rather than just generic printables. If you have individual products and you don't want to bother with creating bundles in new product listings, you can actually use upsells as another way that you can increase your revenue. You can offer a related product at checkout or multiple products to double your income. These are some of my upsells and the extra money that they brought in. So I have a quick success plan for you that you can use as kind of a homework, if you want to call it that. So the first thing you should do is pick a niche. You want to have a target audience to sell to, and then create 3 printables that go together. You can create more than 3 if you want to, but minimum 3. And then list them in a bundle. And the bonus is if you can think of a subscription that you could offer after they've purchased the bundle, and that needs to be something that they would want to receive over and over each month, and it should be directly related to the bundle that they purchased. If you want to learn more about making your printables business your full-time income, go to PassivelyEverAfter.com and get on the wait list for my Printables Profit Blast course that is releasing again in just about a week. And let me help you take your printables business to your full-time job.